Hey everyone, I welcome you all to your lovely channel, Mad Easy Money Online. Here we learn about making money online. So today I have brought an amazing concept for you. Today we are going to compare Builderall and Clickfunnels. I am going to give you the unbiased and honest comparison of Builderall and Clickfunnels. So Builderall and Clickfunnels both are one of the most popular sales funnel builders in the market. While Clickfunnels is a very high priced version, Builderall is a lower cost version. Clickfunnels is very costly, but it gives really quality sales funnels and easy to do stuffs. While Builderall is easy to do, but comparatively it's not. So let me show you the tabular comparison. I have made a tabular comparison for you here. So I have arranged all the stuff in tabular form. So Builderall is launched in latest, and Builderall 3.0 version is recently launched, and it is offering the $69.9 per month plan, and it has other two plans, $29.9 also, but I am going to explain you only about $69.9 and $97 per month plan of Clickfunnels, because Builderall offers everything of it in $69.9. So let's start. While Builderall gives you 15 custom domains, that means you get the hosting for at least 15 domains of your own, while Clickfunnels only gives for 3. Number of funnels unlimited, Clickfunnels only 20. Number of pages unlimited, while in Clickfunnels only 100. Number of unique visitors in Builderall unlimited, while in Clickfunnels only 20,000 per month. Email autoresponder included. Yes, for up to 10,000 subscribers. I think in the latest update they have provided you unlimited subscribers also, but let's consider only 10,000. But email autoresponder of Clickfunnels only available with that $300 per month plan. Drag and drop builder, yes. Common for both. Mobile responsive, yes. Common for both. First, but Builderall faces problems sometimes, and while the mobile responsiveness of Clickfunnels is very smooth. Next, pre-built funnel templates, limited availability in Builderall, while in Clickfunnels is a mass collection. The Builderall has a small collection comparatively to Clickfunnels. Setup and coding of funnels very easy in Clickfunnels, while a little complicated in Builderall. You can say it's almost not functioning very well in Builderall right now. But in Clickfunnels, setup and coding very easy. Support third-party autoresponders, yes, both of the funnels support third-party autoresponders. Add tracking pixel or scripts. Well, both of these offers you the addition of tracking pixel or scripts. Create membership website, yes for both. Actionetics and backups, no in Builderall, yes, but 300 with only $300 per month plan in Clickfunnels. App builder, yes in Builderall, no in Clickfunnels. Presentation builder, yes in Builderall, no in Clickfunnels. Design studio mockup, you can design really good images for your ebooks or videos. Images, yes Builderall, no Clickfunnels. Animated video creator, yes Builderall, no Clickfunnels. Heat map tool, yes Builderall, no Clickfunnels. Browser notification, yes Builderall. Facebook Messenger, chatbot, share logger, schedule tools, solo code, tier benefit information, all yes for Builderall. Everything no for Clickfunnels except the 60 brand rule, which is available in only $500 per year plan. And tier benefit commission is only 14%, while Builderall gives you 100% commission on your first sale. And then on tier 2 commission it gives 30%. Let's go further. In tier 2 commission, Builderall 3.0 gives you 30%, while Clickfunnels gives you only 5%. Support team of Builderall is very fast and highly responsive, while Clickfunnels has a very slow support team. Clickfunnels and features. Clickfunnels, founded by Russell Brunson and top leaders in established sales funnel that app assists marketers to sell everywhere products and services online. It does not have the same amount of features as Builderall. But what it does do, it makes it really easy for those people that want to create professional sales funnels and landing pages. So you can read all this. I will be giving the link of my post, this post on my blog post, and you can see all this there. So I would suggest not to make this video very long. So I will just move forward. Builderall was a Brazilian company and founded by Antonio Eric Salgado. His tool name also an easy to use tool. Builderall is also a very easy to use tool. Builderall has a lot of features, and I will take a look at some of them here also. Let's go further. Builderall is a very great product, and gives you a lot of things. You will be able to read all this stuff on the blog where I will sharing this. If you compare the pricing of Builderall gives you two plans, $9.9 and $69.9 plan. What you get in $97 plan of Clickfunnels, you will get in $29.9 plan of Builderall. So it will be better if you go for Builderall. Because why you would want to pay $97 per month for a landing page creator when you can have access to one for just $30 per month plan? The truth is, you get a lot of tools with Builderall, more than you get in startup plan of Clickfunnels. So Builderall is a very great. If I ask you to come to conclusion, then I will suggest you that if you want a very high quality stuff and you can afford to pay a high price, then you must go for Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is really amazing. It gives you a very great quality of products. But if you can do little work and you need lot of tools and you can utilize them like app builder, video marketing, script generator, you want to use all of them in a low cost, then you must go for Builderall. I would suggest that you must go for Builderall only, because Builderall is, I think, the best if you have low budget, and if you have a good budget, you can start with big, then you must go for Clickfunnels. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye, take care.